Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul has been watching Titan Company for weeks. The stock rallied from 2,800 to 3,100. Impressive, but something strange is happening. The last two rallies are getting weaker. Lower highs, less volume. Rahul opens his chart and sees a shape forming. A shape he has read about. A head and two shoulders. This could be his best short trade yet. Rahul spots head and shoulders. The head and shoulders pattern. It is one of the most reliable reversal patterns in technical analysis. Three peaks on the chart. The middle peak is the highest, like a person's head. The two side peaks are lower and roughly equal, like shoulders. When you see three peaks with the middle one tallest, you're looking at a head and shoulders. It signals that the uptrend is ending and a downtrend is about to begin. The anatomy of the pattern. First, the left shoulder. Price rallies, hits a high, then pulls back. Second, the head. Price rallies again, goes even higher than the left shoulder, then pulls back again. Third, the right shoulder. Price rallies a third time, but cannot reach the head's high. It stops lower. This failing rally is the key signal. Connect the two pullback lows between the shoulders and the head. That line is called a neckline. The neckline is everything. Why does head and shoulders work? Each rally is weaker than the last. The left shoulder rally is strong. Buyers are in control. The head rally goes higher, but look closely. Volume is often lower. Buyers are getting tired. The right shoulder rally is the weakest. Price cannot even reach the head's level. Buyers are losing steam. Sellers are gaining confidence. Each push-up is met with stronger selling. When a neckline breaks, sellers take full control. Titan Company. The left shoulder formed at 3,050 in mid-March. The head peaked at 3,100 in late March. The right shoulder topped at 3,050 in early April. Notice the right shoulder is at the same level as the left shoulder. Classic symmetry. The neckline connects the lows at 2,900. Rahul draws the neckline and waits. He does not trade the pattern until it confirms. Confirmation day. Titan drops to 2,900 and keeps falling. The neckline breaks on heavy volume. This is the signal. Volume on the breakdown is 1.5 times the average. Strong selling pressure. When a neckline breaks on high volume, the head and shoulders pattern is confirmed. The trend has officially reversed. Rahul is ready to act. Rahul's trade plan. Short entry at 2880, just below the broken neckline. Stop loss above the right shoulder at 2960. Risk is 80 rupees per share. The target is calculated by measuring the distance from the head to the neckline. 3,100 minus 2,900 equals 200 points. Project that distance down from the neckline. 2,900 minus 200 equals 2,700. Target is 2,700. Risk 80. Reward 180. Risk-reward ratio 1 to 2.25. Titan breaks down from the neckline. 2,850, 2,800, 2,760. The selling accelerates. Rahul holds his position. On day 6, Titan hits 2,720. Close enough to the 2,700 target. Rahul covers his short at 2,720. Profit 160 rupees per share on 15 shares. 2,400 rupees. The head and shoulders delivered exactly as the textbook predicted. Rahul's head and shoulders rules. 1. Always wait for the neckline break. Do not anticipate. 2. Volume must increase on the breakdown. Low volume breaks often fail. 3. The target equals the head to neckline distance projected downward. 4. Stop loss goes above the right shoulder. 5. The right shoulder should be lower than the head. If it is higher, the pattern is invalid. 6. The pattern works in reverse too. Inverse head and shoulders is a bullish reversal. Head and shoulders tells you a simple story. Buyers tried 3 times. Each attempt was weaker. Then they gave up. If you understand it, it is simple. I'm Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.